Oh, yes. Chief Justices Gonzalez, Gordon McLeod, Mary Yu, former Chief of Police Bill Dixon, Pooch, Brian Smith, Chief of Police of Port Angeles. Yes, Bill Benedict, Sheriff, Como Newsroom, Pope, and Paul Huber, a personal friend of mine, Justice Wiggins, Ooch, having thought about the judge's request. Oh, uh, I had noticed, yes, um, not that you had not included the motion from the prosecuting attorney. So you were talking about me when I wasn't in court? Yes. And your response explaining what I had said on the phone that morning about the bleeding of my teeth? Yes. Caused me to have to ingest blood. I'd phoned at 5:30 a.m. Thought I was going to the hospital because of blood nausea. Um, I've not received a court order ordering me, as I understand the due process. Did you think every citizen was just some plebeian where you could sit there as God and say, just appear in court when I say? Due process. Because my public defender wouldn't have mentioned my name in a court hearing when I wasn't in court. No, it had to be Cal Gill. Yes. And you would have responded. Pooch. In fact, you would have said, let's put him on the docket. Now, props for the mental health values. Responsible public defender was a good idea. The court to appear in court on the 27th of September. Now, as the accused of the crime that happened in Sequim, Washington, where I wasn't in that city, yes, I can appreciate that I'm educated as in college graduate, though I'm not a fucking attorney. Now, did you think I was so fucking stupid as to not know what you've been doing? For 7.5 years, you've been violating the laws because you're God and nobody can tell you what to do. Uh, I do not have a law degree, yes. That there is no jurisdiction for the probable cause arrest, yes. Because I thought that since jurisdiction not, I do not know if I have jurisdiction to have the protection order removed, Judge. Ooch. Well, Judge, do you have the jurisdiction to enforce the rights of American citizens? Judge Porter, are you God? Remove the protection order. It's not valid without any due process. I thought I should include some videos explaining what it is. That I mean some documentation explaining that depriving me of due process deprives me of my constitutional right to life, liberty, and property. Now, for all of those that are God in the judiciary,